Wemele Shilong Nor Uba Edelbert Nong Room Negasni Katnutri Risa Arja Arpo, Ula no Sinyang Nig sanitizer machine, Shiginangalam Yam, Makin Parent Kamakijaka Manibale, Nakabenta Banya Quenega Clam COVID-19. Yakini Kijing no Sinyang La Isling Bak MLA scheme, but Kijingut Kalong Arlak Nupu Arhajar Tinka.
Our only weapon to fight against this COVID-19 is with a weapon of faith. Because ultimately, we are creation, we are God creation, and He is the only one who is greater of all greatest. He is mightier of all mightiest. So because of that reason, let's not fear. Let's face and take this as a challenge. As we have to live with the COVID, so this situation had taught us an experience and make us know better how to live life and how to maintain ourselves